pretty, but it's probably built on indigenous lands. I don't see a land acknowledgement in this brochure.
And what is that lowercase t over there? And you know, I'm probably just missing it in here, but where are your safe spaces?
Our what?
Your safe spaces. You know, like a place to go when something's problematic or you're triggered or like someone misgenders you or someone misspells your name at Starbucks or something.
Oh, safe space. Okay, like a sanctuary.
Yes, exactly.
Here it is. Our little sanctuary from the trials and tribulations of the world. Welcome to the chapel.
Do you have any puppies? A lot of colleges' safe spaces have puppies these days.
Or at least a trigger warning. Do not like the sound of the words that I see on that screen. It's not pleasant at all.
Can't you play something that soothes me, like Eminem or Billie Eilish?
It's Eilish.
As I was saying, we have a fantastic mathematics program which allows for more thorough instructions from our faculty.
I'm sorry. You don't actually teach that 2 + 2 is 4, do you?
Say what now?
Yeah, kind of a sticking point for us. The idea that 2 + 2 = 4 is a holdover from the archaic colonial patriarchy of the 16th and 17th centuries. We wouldn't want our little prodigy's head being filled with any kind of crazy nonsense.
No, we wouldn't want that, would we? Yeah.
No, we don't.
We wanted our daughter to have a spiritual, but not religious education. But I just don't know if this is the right place for us.
Yeah, I think I agree, baby.
Oh, but I'm sorry to hear that. We do have one more stop, and I think there's someone you'd like to meet.
What's up, fam?
Your chancellor is a cis, hetero, white male!
That's not just any cis hetero white male. That's John MacArthur.
Hey.
Your squad straight up ghosted me. Big yikes.
So, Jonathan Edwards once said that the only thing that you contribute to your salvation is the sin that makes it necessary. So does that mean that we don't have a part in maintaining your relationship with Jesus, or is your faith propelled by your acceptance of the Holy Spirit?
We're gonna waive your application fee.